Complete automatic tomato paste packaging line for food production factories. This automatic tomato paste filling machine provides accurate and stable filling performance. It is designed for thick liquid products such as tomato paste, ketchup, sauces, and food ingredients. The high-precision filling system improves production efficiency and reduces product waste. Next is the automatic four-wheels bottle capping machine. The four-wheel design ensures accurate and stable bottle cap tightening. It is suitable for food, beverage, sauce, and liquid packaging applications. This automatic round bottle labeling machine applies labels quickly and accurately. The system ensures smooth labeling performance for different round bottles. Automatic bottle cleaning machine prepares bottles after filling. It removes residual sauces and particles to improve packaging hygiene and product quality. The bottle collecting machine automatically gathers finished bottles for easy production handling. Complete bottle packaging solutions from filling to collection.